Hello everyone, this is Evie from SHENYANG LANYING. I'm super excited to give you a quick peek inside our amazing design department. Now you may be wondering what makes us tick. First of all, we have got a huge team, and seriously, it takes a whole crew of specialists working together to nail the complex projects we handle. Whether you are an engineer or investor, we speak your language. We are talking structural engineers laying the foundation, architects shaping the vision, 3D specialists bring it all to life visually, plus facade designers crafting those sleek exteriors, structural detailers working their magic on the process connections, and industrial door designer ensure functional exercise in steel structures. So that's a lot of brilliant minds collaborating every day. So what's the second key ingredient? Our software toolbox is seriously next level. We are fluent in practically every major platform we use in structural steel design. And what truly sets apart is our unmatched software mastery. We don't just use tools, but we match them according to your project needs. For heavy-duty global analysis, we use STAR Pro handles complex multi-material designs under Eurocode and IIC. STEP 2000 tackles stone span structures with precision. When it's time to module and detail, we shift gears. Tekla is our building information modeling powerhouse, creating fabrication. PKPM and YJK ensure 100% compliance from design to docs. 3D 3S master space frame and tensile structures, plus specialized tools like Durable for parametric loads and Huibao for cost-driven detailing. This massive toolbox means we pick the perfect software or combination for every project's specific needs. But we don't just take our word for it. Our projects speak louder. From Canada to Caribbean, we have delivered complex structures by pairing the perfect software with local expertise. In North America, we engineer a massive Canadian craft hangar using resin for precision steel framing, crafted a curved glass chapel with 3D threads mastering those elegant facades. In the Middle East and Africa, the solid flowing logistic dome, MST engineered those sweeping girls, and Seychelles coastal residents stand stone ready with STAR Pro's global analysis. France's retail hub features stick tubular frames modeled in Tekla. Even Aruba's fitness center run with PKPM's outstanding analytical capability. Speaking of global work, quality is non-negotiable. That's why we are officially certified to both Eurocode and American ASC standards. These are the gold standards, so whether your project follows European, US, or other specs, our designs meet and exceed the highest global benchmarks. So a huge team of specialists, check. Unmatched mastery of global design software, double check. World-class certifications, triple check. So let's SHENYANG LANYING's design department advantage, expertise, technology, quality delivered globally.